When you search for the best window air conditioners with heat, everything looks the same. Same specs, same claims. But to find what actually works and what just looks good, you really need to dig deeper. Product number 1, LG 12200 BTU AC. First up is the LG 12200 BTU window air conditioner with supplemental heat. This unit caught my attention with its powerful cooling capabilities and thoughtful features. If you want reliable heating and cooling for a medium-sized room, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It cools spaces up to 570 square feet, which means it can handle larger rooms like living rooms or master bedrooms without breaking a sweat. The supplemental heat option is a huge plus for those chilly days, allowing you to stay warm without needing to switch to another heater. Plus, the low noise performance means it operates quietly at around 50 dB, so you won't be disturbed while you relax or work. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing, though, if you follow the instructions carefully, it's manageable. But if DIY isn't your thing, you might want to consider hiring someone to help. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful unit for a medium room and want the flexibility of heating and cooling in one. Skip this one if you're looking to cool a small space or if you prefer something quieter. For the power and features, it's a solid value. Now, if the installation of the LG unit worries you, the next one might be more straightforward. Product number 2, Black Plus Decker 10,000 BTU AC. Next up is the Black Plus DECKER window air conditioner, which packs a punch with 10,000 BTUs. I was impressed by its ability to cool up to 450 square feet efficiently. If you want a reliable air conditioner that's also easy to operate, this is worth a serious look. The cooling power of 10,000 BTUs means it can keep medium-sized rooms comfortable during those hot summer months. With 4 cooling levels and a full-function remote, you have total control over your comfort. Plus, its energy-efficient design makes it easier on your wallet. It uses R32 refrigerant, which is better for the environment and your electric bill. But here's a downside. Some users mentioned it can be a bit noisy on the higher settings. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're super sensitive to noise, this might not be the best fit for you. However, if you're just looking for effective cooling and can tolerate a bit of sound, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you need a solid AC unit for larger rooms without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you value quiet operation above all. For the features, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for saving energy and providing comfort. Product number 3, DELLA 5000 BTU Smart AC. Now we have the DELLA 5000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner. What caught my eye here is its smart features, making it super convenient to control. If you want a compact, efficient unit that you can manage from your smartphone, this is worth a serious look. It's Wi-Fi enabled, which means you can control it via the Della app or Alexa. This is a huge plus for tech-savvy folks who love smart home devices. Additionally, the energy-saving mode helps keep your bills down, which is always a win. However, some users found the cooling power a bit lacking for larger areas. Here's the thing, though, if you're only cooling a small bedroom or office, it does just fine. But if you're expecting it to handle a large living room, you might be disappointed. This is perfect for you if you're in a small space and want smart features for convenience. Skip this one if you need to cool a larger area. For its size and capabilities, it's a good value. Now, if smart features aren't your thing, wait until you see the next product that focuses solely on performance. Product number 4, FlowBreeze Portable AC. Next is the FlowBreeze 24 Windowless Portable Air Conditioner. This caught my attention with its unique design and versatility. If you're looking for a portable unit that can adapt to your needs, this is worth a serious look. The FlowBreeze is a 3-in-1 unit functioning as an air conditioner, humidifier, and fan. It features a 2-gallon water tank, allowing it to run for 10 hours without needing a refill. The 120 degrees oscillation ensures even cooling across the room, which is great for larger areas. Plus, its ultra-quiet operation at just 49 dB means you can use it without disturbing your peace. But some users have mentioned that the cooling isn't as powerful as traditional window units. Here's the thing, while it might not replace a full AC unit in extreme heat, it's excellent for creating a comfortable environment in smaller spaces or for personal use. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution that's easy to set up and operate. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cooling for a large area. For its versatility, it's a solid choice. Finally, if the mobility and convenience of the FlowBreeze appealed to you, the last product is all about energy efficiency and smart design. Product number 5, YINTTIAN Window Sealing Tape. Last on the list is the YINTTIAN Window Sealing Tape. While it might not be an air conditioner, it's essential for anyone using window units. If you want to maximize your HVAC efficiency, this is worth a serious look. This sealing tape helps block cold or hot air from entering through window gaps, making sure your unit works effectively. Plus, it's easy to apply and doesn't leave a residue when removed, which is a huge benefit for renters or anyone who moves frequently. However, some users might overlook this, thinking it's not necessary. Here's the thing, if you're spending money on a good AC unit, you want to ensure it performs at its best, and this tape can help with that. This is perfect for you if you want to improve your home energy efficiency and reduce heating/cooling costs. Skip this one if you're not using a window AC unit. For its low price, it's a smart investment. So there you have it, the LG 12200 BTU for larger spaces, Black Plus Decker for solid performance, DDLLA for smart features, FlowBreeze for portability, and YINTTIAN tape for maximizing efficiency. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but all can meet your heating and cooling needs in their own way. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.